Hey everyone! So, we have an awesome video today. Look where we are. Look who it is. That was the worst timing ever on my part.
Stuck in my face.
My bad. We are not only going to be feeding Drogon today, but we are also going to be polishing some rocks, and I'm very, very excited. Kim got a wet angle grinder polisher system, and I am so excited to see how it works.
Oh, it's killer.
I've got a bag literally full of rocks to cut and or polish, so it's gonna be a good day. All right, so you may remember this. Oh gosh, I stabbed myself on the knee on one of those rocks. It's too late, it already happened. All right, so you guys might remember this actually from my last video with Kim. When we were out on the boat, I found this gigantic Syringapora coral. And I said we should face it and polish it. But it's so pretty. I love this stuff.
Is it extinct or is it still a thing?
I actually don't know the answer to that question. On the bottom of the screen, viewers at home, there will be the answer right there because I need to look that up. I'm not actually sure. But it cuts and polishes beautifully. So I thought that would be a great one to cut. So we're just gonna face that face, I guess. And then, yeah, go over and polish it.
Different species of coral. I'm always wondering.
Oh, I know.
What did I just find?
Yeah, there's no shortage of it, especially on the Yellowstone. There's a lot of different corals, but these are some of my favorites just because they cut and polish so well. Okay, so while the coral is cutting, we're gonna polish this here dry head agate, which is amazing. It's so pretty. And to do that, we're gonna use this amazing system right here, which is the wet angle grinder. It's so awesome. So you got the Velcro pads that go in right there. There's a water feed, variable speed, and we'll just keep working through the grits. It's like, you know, flat lab on steroids. You guys, this is just madness. All right, well, there it is. Here, getting the sun a little better. Absolutely stunning. All the way up from, oh, that's so nice. That's at 3,000, and that took less time than it took Drogon to cut that piece of coral. That's amazing. Man, when I get back to the shop, I'm gonna hit this with some cerium, and that is gonna be unreal. Next, for polish, we are gonna do this fantastic brecciated agatized wood with chalcedony, banded, actually agate pockets, and jasper pockets. This thing is amazing. You may remember this from this video right here. All right, we just heard the gigantic clunk, so let's see how it is. Oh, cool!
Nice.
Oh, that'll be awesome to polish.
Nice.
Check this out, you guys. Can't tell if I'm in frame or not. There we go. Look at that. All right, definitely have to polish that. Sweet. Guys, next on the chopping block is this ginormous Bear Canyon agate, and I'm so excited. It should be really good. It's got nice little amethyst pockets. So let's see how it is. I think that pocket is gonna be really nice once it gets cleaned out. There's a big crystal pocket in there. But yeah, I agree, that is not...
I was hoping there would be a little bit more banding in there.
Yeah, that's not what I was expecting. Okay, well, we think that one is actually hiding a nice geode pocket, so we're gonna submerge it in muriatic acid to dissolve the calcite to better show off the quartz. But in the meantime, I loaded up another one, and we got some oil on this, and I've confirmed there are fortifications. We just heard the clunk, so let's see if take two was better than the first one. Ooh, I see amethyst. You see that purple hue in there?
Yes. Oh, I see banding
We
pockets.
do. We got forts.
Okay. Yep, this one's better.
That's way better. Heck yeah. Drain out some of that oil. Yep, that'd be amethyst, and we got fortifications.
Yeah, look at all that banding on there.
Oh, that's gorgeous. All right, that's what we were hoping for with the other one.
Yeah. Look at that. Like, it's like a gray plume.
It is.
Into the quartz.
That's so cool. Might have to look at this one under the microscope. the amethyst in there. Do you see how dark purple that is? And then all the gray plumy stuff? That's amazing. That side was way better than the one we pulled off first. Dang. All right, that's gorgeous. You're picking one because I picked the last one. So what do you think?
I think I want one of these, like amygdaloid. I can never say it.
Amygdaloidal basalt. I am gonna need to redo this on my own time because I got some scratches that are really bugging me. I have to redo those, but I didn't want to waste, you know, the whole day just doing this one rock because I wanted to polish some of the other ones too. But man, that's so beautiful. Get up closer. I mean, there's jasper, there's moss agate, there's clear chalcedony. It's just beautiful. That's such a cool piece. The amygdaloidal basalt has come out, and look at this. That is so pretty. Look at all the yellow. I'm trying to get the light to cooperate. There's so much yellow and little green crystals of olivine. That's awesome. I love it. When I found this rock, I couldn't tell if it was an agate or petrified wood, and even today, like almost a year later, I still am not sure. It's very, very agatey and very, very woody. If it's
like
agate,
I can't see through right there,
yeah,
but I can see
it's so weird.
right here.
I have no idea what to make of this rock. So let's cut it and see what it is, because I think it's going to be fantabulous. All right, well, next to polish is going to be this Syringapora coral. Should be good. Whoa! Whoa! What the heck?
Isn't that
That's insane!
beautiful? Look at that.
What in the world? That is one of the weirdest pieces of wood I've ever seen.
One of the most gorgeous
That's amazing.
pieces of wood. Look at that.
It's like 50% wood, 50% agate.
It looks 3D.
It really does. Oh my gosh.
And all those white fortification banding
That
pockets.
is so cool. All right, I gotta see the other side. Here's the other half. That's incredible. I love that. Again, from the outside, it's hard to know what the heck you're looking at. But yeah, that is even prettier than I hoped it would be. Wow. Loading up the next agate, and we got this dark, just so dark beauty. No idea what to expect with this one. I honestly love cutting these ones most because there's no knowing what the heck is going to be inside until you get into it. All right, here's that coral. I think it came out really well. There were a lot of density differences in this piece, so it didn't polish fully in some places, but I love the way the quartzy agate pockets, the polyps, didn't take as high of a polish as the rest of the material. It lends itself to wonderful contrast. Next on polish is going to be those basalts. I'm going to prioritize this one. I think I'll be able to do both though. Here's the red basalt. Took a nice shine. I think it needs diamond, the 14,000 diamonds, which I can do on these with my flat lap. These are small enough. I'll finish these when we get back to the shop. But man, It's just so pretty. I love the agate in this one. Oh, it's just beautiful. Love, love, love this stuff. And there's also a just stunning druzy pocket down here. Look at that. My gosh. Here, can you put that right? Wow. Okay. That's amazing. Alright. I was gonna just cut that, but we need to get a slab off of that.
Yeah, let's get a slab.
We got a slab, and it's amazing. Look at this agate. Trying to get the reflections to back off a little bit. That's so nice. Gonna get a light behind it. Look at that agate. That's incredible. Did you notice the little waterline pocket in there? That is so cool. So, so dark. So yeah, one slab to do something with. A heel, which I'll probably use for, I don't know, cabs or something. I don't know. I might just leave it the way it is. And then here's the rest of the agate. That is gorgeous. So, so dark. It's just crazy. Even now that it's cut open, look how little the light goes into it. So, this is what's next. I found this one a long time ago, like 2 years ago, and that is one of the weirdest Montana agates I've ever seen. And I have no idea what to expect, and that's usually the most fun agates to cut. Yeah, this is a really weird agate. So there we go. Look at all the quartz and the bands. Can I get closer? No, not really. There's so much fine banding in there. It's so weird. It literally looks like this agate got like folded on itself. It's just bizarre. Mostly quartz though. A little bit of banding in there, but yeah, it's not at all what I was expecting. But it's so weird on the outside, I had no idea what to expect. All right, well, next I guess is gonna be, let's do this one next. Big old Montana agate. So we just got the heel off of that agate. And that is really cool. Look at that waterline pocket that extends all the way up there. That is so, so cool. Really nice moss too, dang. All right, I'm happy. We're gonna get a slab off of that one. That is stunning. It's so bizarre. That's such a weird agate. I love it. Alright, well, I'm happy about that. Alright, we probably have time for 1 or 2 more rocks, I think. If Alexis is willing to hang out for 1 more rock after this, we'll do another one. But I think this is potentially the last rock of the day, and that is a really, really beautiful agate. Very excited. It's weird. It's a really weird one, so I don't know what to expect on the inside. All right, potential last one of the day. Turn into something fantabulous. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh. What the heck? It's whoa. Okay. It's very, very strange. I don't know what I was expecting, but it definitely wasn't that. What in the world? All right, let me grab the flashlight. Oh, thank you.
Whoa.
That is look at that perfect little mossy window in the center.
So cool.
That's crazy.
Oh, that's nice.
I had what? That's so weird. Okay, I'm kind of happy with that one. That's crazy.
Is it just like petrified wood in there?
I don't know. I really just don't know what to say about this agate, guys. This is one of the weirdest agates I've ever cut. Just love it. It's so cool. Absolutely not at all what I was expecting. Just gorgeous, though. So before I wrap this up, remember that first Bear Canyon that we cut? And we were upset because it was kind of a dud? Well, we kind of just took the other half and threw it in a bucket of muriatic acid, dissolved all the duddy stuff, and lo and behold, it's amazing. Look at that giant cavern of crystals. And they are just so glossy, just so sparkly. And it gets better. That's all smoky amethyst. But wait, there's more. Alexis, why'd you turn the light off? If I stick my pinky in that little cavern, I literally cannot reach the back of it. It goes so deep in there. That's just crazy. So yeah, I retract my former statement that this was a dud. It is anything but a dud. All right, guys. Well, looking at this pile of rocks, I'd say that was one fantabulous day. We got through everything that I brought except for 2 of the rocks. But I mean, amazing agates. Some of the weirdest. I mean, this thing just I can't get over this. This is the weirdest rock. I love it so much, and it's so blue. Look at how pretty that is. This might be my favorite cut all day. Okay, that was a lot of fun, and we got to polish some rocks. Like, it was just a good day. Huge shout out to Montana Rock Mom for letting us come up and hang out. It's always a good time. Alrighty, well, that was a blast. We got through so many rocks today. What a good day. Huge shout out to Montana Rock Mom for letting us come over and hang out. It's always a good time. I'll have a link to her channel in the description, as well as a few other stuffs that I don't remember off the top of my head. Let me know which one was your favorite down in the comments. I'm torn, but I really do think it's this one. The weird agate wood thing. It's just so cool. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. We'll be doing a whole lot more rock hunting. I was gonna say we'll be doing more of this kind of stuff, but I don't know when we'll do more cutting. Probably soon, but I don't know. Soon. Okay, fine, I just talked myself into it. We're gonna do more cutting soon. We've been here all freaking day. I'm tired. My brain's frazzled. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So, yeah. Good night. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.